Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hadi Ekdem from Hadi Ekdem Dev YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install an operation system using a USB stick. First you need to download Rufus. Open your browser and click on the first link and you will come into this page. Rufus is an app to mount the ISO file into a USB. Download the Rufus from this link and download will start automatically, and Rufus is a portable app, so you don't need to install or do something like this. In this video I am using Ubuntu to teach you. And so let's download the Ubuntu ISO image, but you can choose any image you want. Here I download the Ubuntu. It's important, your file must have ISO extension. Now I have the Rufus here. Double click on it to open. Now you must choose your file. Click on select and choose your ISO file. Here is my ISO file. Click on open. Then choose your USB stick. Here I don't have any USB stick on my system, but when you plug any USB stick on it, it will show here, and you must choose that. But be careful, all of data in USB are going to format and they are going to delete, so make a backup before you start installing. Now it's ready, and you just need to click on start mounting onto the USB. So after it's done, you just need to restart your PC and choose the USB from boot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.